Are you trying to find the best food processors? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best food processors. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. In the event that you're searching for a reliable food processor with a sizable capacity and a ton of features, this is an excellent option. The shredding and slicing blade is a single piece, and the bowl includes a pour spout, which is clever. It is cleverly built, and thanks to its 12-cup capacity, it can handle a variety of tasks. There is only one thickness setting, but it is excellent. It quickly and almost completely eliminated waste when slicing a zucchini. The shredding blade has only one thickness, but is extremely effective, and this is also true. In order to do each task as you see fit, the buttons give varying degrees of power. Number 2. The brand has evolved into a description of the product, similar to how Kleenex has done with tissues and Cuisinart has done with food processors. It is hardly surprising that the majority of home cooks prefer this type. Smart and uncomplicated design indicates that pre-troubleshooting was given careful consideration. Since the 13-cup bowl is on the bigger side, you may go ahead and double that pie crust recipe. The processor also comes with a 4.5-cup bowl to handle lesser tasks. The slicing blade may be adjusted to 7 various thicknesses, and the shredding blade can be used for fine or coarse grating. To make it more convenient to use, even the handbook is spiral bound. Number 3. According to The Objective, we discovered that this processor's 3 speeds, high, low, and pulse, allowed for even control. We discovered that it quickly and evenly chopped an onion, ground parmesan, and quickly put together pie dough. In contrast to more powerful models, processing on the high setting could take longer if you're producing emulsions or need to fully incorporate components, as with pesto. Thanks to the manual's detailed instructions, installing the reversible slicing and shredding disc was simple. Using the plastic food pusher, it quickly and easily cut a half of a zucchini. Take heed of this, because the feed tube isn't very broad. If you're processing a lot of produce at once, make sure to cut it appropriately, and maybe give yourself a little more time. Number 4. This model is a good choice if you want a food processor, but are on a tight budget or are unsure whether you are ready to spend a lot of money on yet another kitchen appliance. It contains some of the clever design features found in more expensive versions, and with a 10-cup capacity, it is big enough to handle most jobs without being too big to be a hassle. Other drawbacks include a somewhat long, slow pulse mechanism that makes tasks like chopping butter into flour for pie crust a little less effective. Locking the bowl into place was also more difficult than we had hoped. But generally speaking, this model is effective and capable of doing tasks that call for a processor. Number 5. Best if neither money nor space are a concern. $319.95 for the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. This food processor is the Ferrari of kitchen appliances. It's almost as good as having a real sous chef in the kitchen. Different feed chute sizes, 24 different slicing thickness settings, 5 different cutting discs, a timing function. Even the caddy that holds all the accessories is thoughtfully labeled so you can see what everything is at a glance. These features allow you to slice or shred thick or thin items easily. Grab the 2.5-cup mini processing bowl if the 16-cup capacity bowl is too much for the task at hand. One thing to keep in mind is that it occupies almost as much space as a real Ferrari. This is not the model for small kitchens or those with limited counter space. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.